What's your favorite food?
I love noodles.
Can you cook?
Yes, I can cook simple dishes.
Do you eat breakfast every day?
Yes, I never skip breakfast.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, but not too spicy.
What do you usually eat for lunch?
Rice and vegetables.
Do you prefer tea or coffee?
I prefer coffee.
What is your favorite fruit?
Mango.
Do you eat out often?
About once a week.
Do you like fast food?
Sometimes.
Can you eat with chopsticks?
Yes, I can.
Do you have any food allergies?
No, I don't.
What's your favorite drink?
Orange juice.
Do you try new foods?
Yes, I like trying new things.
Do you prefer sweet or salty snacks?
Sweet snacks.
What do you eat for dinner?
Soup and meat.
Do you eat healthy food?
I try to.
Do you eat dessert?
Yes, I love cake.
Do you like eating alone or with others?
With others.
Do you bring lunch to school/work?
Sometimes I do.
What's a popular dish in your country?
Pho is very popular.